Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today, we're reviewing the Snagajob app, a platform designed to help users find hourly and part-time work. This video explains how the app works, its features, and whether it's worth using for your job search. Snagajob has become a go-to platform for hourly and shift-based job seekers. After signing up or logging in, users can search for local job openings using filters like location, job type, and pay range. The app has a clean, user-friendly interface, making it easy to search for jobs and navigate the available options. One unique feature of the app is that it primarily focuses on hourly and part-time positions across various industries such as retail, food service, and customer service. The application process is straightforward. You can apply directly to job postings in just a few taps, and many listings allow you to upload your resume directly through the app. Additionally, users can track their applications and receive alerts when relevant job listings match their preferences. The app also features a Hourly Jobs Near You section, which showcases positions within your area. This makes it easy for users to discover opportunities close to them without having to search manually. Another helpful feature is the ability to create a profile within the app, which allows you to store personal details and qualifications for future applications. Although Snagajob makes applying for jobs convenient, it does have limitations. The app lacks features like in-app messaging or the ability to schedule interviews directly, meaning that users will have to communicate with employers outside the app, usually through email or phone. The user experience is mostly seamless, with a fast and responsive app that doesn't overwhelm users with unnecessary ads or distractions. However, some features that users might expect from larger platforms are missing, such as detailed employer reviews or more in-depth company profiles. Now, let's quickly review the pros and cons. Pros include its user-friendly interface, quick application process, and job alerts. The app is ideal for anyone looking for hourly or part-time work, especially those in industries like retail, food service, or customer support. Cons include the lack of features like in-app messaging, interview scheduling, or more detailed company profiles. It's also mainly focused on hourly work, so if you're looking for a wider variety of job types, you may want to consider other platforms like LinkedIn or Indeed. Overall, Snagajob is a great option for anyone seeking flexible hourly or part-time jobs. While it's not as comprehensive as other job platforms, its simplicity and focus on hourly positions make it a solid choice if you need immediate, flexible work. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.